Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To start, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely open your device and perform necessary inspections. Begin by powering off your Asus K3605Z and unplugging it from any power source. Next, use the Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws from the bottom panel. Keep these screws organized in a small container to avoid losing them during your repair process. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the bottom cover using the flathead screwdriver. Be cautious to avoid damaging the clips that hold the panel in place. After you've removed the bottom panel, inspect the internal components for any visible signs of damage, such as burnt circuitry or loose connections. If you notice any issues, it's important to document them, as this information will be useful when filing a warranty claim. While inspecting, take the time to clean out any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside the laptop. Use a can of compressed air to blow out dust from the fans and vents. This not only helps with cooling but also prolongs the life of your device. Remember, if you're uncomfortable performing these tasks, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the best advice without any pressure. Next, check the battery and RAM connections. Sometimes, reseating these components can solve many operational issues. If your laptop won't turn on, try removing the battery and holding down the power button for about 15 seconds. This can reset the system. If you find that the battery is faulty, keep in mind that you can get a quote before repair, allowing you to understand the costs associated with any replacements. Once you've completed your inspection and any necessary cleaning, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Place the bottom panel back on, ensuring all clips are aligned, and replace the screws with the Phillips head screwdriver. Tighten them securely but avoid over-tightening, which could damage the casing. If after reassembly your Asus K3605Z still has issues, it may be time to consider warranty service. Check your warranty status on the Asus website. If you're eligible, reach out to their customer service for instructions on how to proceed with the claim. For convenience, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you won't need to worry about transportation. No calls, no travel, just a hassle-free service right to your doorstep. This can save you time and effort, allowing you to focus on what matters most. In summary, maintaining your Asus K3605Z is essential for its longevity. By following these steps, you can perform basic diagnostics and repairs. If you're ever in doubt or require professional assistance, don't hesitate to reach out for help. We're here to ensure your device gets the care it deserves, with the added benefit of knowing you can receive a quote before repair. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.